The dark flagship arrives. Last time, we explored the elegance of the white Zeekr 8X, but today, things take a darker, more mysterious turn. I'm Ava, and today on Vision Effect TV, we are unboxing the powerhouse of urban luxury, the Zeekr 8X SUV in midnight black. In this shade, the 8X isn't just a car, it's a statement of stealth and authority. With its 5.1-meter presence and mecha-inspired silhouette, the Black Edition highlights the black tech DNA that Zeekr is famous for. Let's see how this dark night redefines the premium hybrid SUV segment. Shadows and chrome. In black, the Zeekr 8XS Waterfall grille takes on a whole new personality. The contrast between the deep gloss paint and the dual-layer matrix LED headlights creates a robotic, predatory gaze. Notice how the roof-mounted LiDAR unit almost disappears into the dark roofline, maintaining a seamless, aerodynamic look. The 22-inch gloss black wheels paired with red brake calipers provide that perfect sporty touch. It's a design that balances mass with muscle, looking incredibly grounded and futuristic. The tri-motor monster, don't let the luxury fool you. Underneath this black shell lies a beast. Built on the SES architecture, the 8X features a massive 2.0-liter turbo engine paired with a tri-motor system, pushing a mind-blowing 1,030 horsepower. In this black version, the power feels even more stealth wealth. With its 70 kilowatt-hour battery, you get an impressive 328 kilometers of pure electric range, and with 6C ultra-fast charging, you're back on the road in minutes. It's the perfect blend of long-distance reliability and neck-snapping electric acceleration. The stealth sanctuary, stepping inside, the black exterior transitions into a digital sanctuary. The 8X features an integrated dual-screen dashboard and a Naim-branded premium audio system that turns the cabin into a private concert hall. For the rear passengers, the roof-mounted entertainment screen and spacious 6-seat layout offer first-class comfort. Whether it's the AR HUD or the AI-driven Haohan chassis control, every piece of tech feels more focused in this dark, high-contrast environment. It truly is a supercomputer you can live in. The ultimate spec? The Zeekr 8X in black is more than just a color choice. It's a lifestyle for those who appreciate the black tech aesthetic. It's bold, it's intelligent, and it's unapologetically premium. So, which side are you on? Does the 8X look better in pristine white, or does this midnight black win your heart? Let me know in the comments. I'm Ava, and for the most exclusive looks at the future of mobility, keep it locked on Vision Effect TV. Stay dark, stay smart.